Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Conversations with Candace. I'm Candace and we're going to be conversing today. I am here to give you all the information you need to know about my new hair. This is the X-pression Snap Bantu Knot Out hair and it is in 12 inches. It's crochet hair. It looks coarse, but it feels very soft. I'm actually very much in love with this hair and it absolutely looks like my hair was in Bantu knots and then I untwisted it and I'm wearing it out. I did do a braidless crochet for this style, so I'm going to put right here the step-by-step directions on how to do a braidless crochet. It's super easy and you don't need to know how to braid. You can either do plaits or you can do twists in your hair and install the hair just like I did. I absolutely used a mesh cap, which I feel like in every crochet video I wear, but those are about $2 and they're a really good addition to keep your base secure when you have synthetic hair on your head. So here's what the young lady on the package looks like. I purchased 3 packs, but I didn't even need to use 2 full packs. My thinking was I'm gonna get a color 2, a color 4, and a color 99J, which is this reddish color. And I wanna mix them and it's gonna be like low tones and red tones and brown tones. But then I ran into an issue. The color 2 hair is about 1.5 inches shorter than the color 4 and the color 99J. I'm gonna put a picture of it right here so you can see just how short the number 2 is. So I ended up not using the 2 at all. I just used the number 4 and the 99J. I used about 1.5 packs of hair, and at $14.99 per pack, that's a pretty good deal. The hair comes in 3 bundles per pack, and here is what one bundle looks like. This is the color 2 that I did not use, and again, it looks coarse, but it feels really, really soft. It looks like natural hair, which is great. And in each bundle, there's about 12 pieces. I did find in one of my bundles, I had 13 pieces. So I'm pretty sure they measure it by weight and not by actual pieces. But there's 3 bundles per pack. I would recommend looking at your packs closely when you purchase them if you're going to be mixing colors, because if I had needed this color 2 to finish my look, I probably would have only put it on the top so that it gave like a layered effect. But I don't like that all this hair is supposed to be 12 inches and yet this hair is a bit shorter. I did try to stretch it and it didn't work out very well. This is day 2 of me wearing this hair. I did sleep in it overnight. As the days go by, I am gonna fluff it, and I have this Motions curl mousse that I really like. I just put a little bit in my hand, and then I take a section of the hair and I rub it through and I kind of pull it apart a little bit, but then push it back together. And all I wanna do is make the hair look a little more hydrated, because it is a coarse hair. It's not shiny, so every now and then you're going to need to add just a little drop of something to it to just give it a little more life. I'm going to put some on the other side as well, and in the back I would say probably you should do this twice a week. And then of course, because this hair is synthetic, it's going to tangle. In a few days, I'm gonna have to lift it up and find the little webbing pieces that are gonna be in the middle, and I'm gonna have to cut those off. Right now, I don't have very many, but synthetic hair, whether it is curly or straight, absolutely turns into like a bird's nest in the back of my head. I know that that's gonna happen, and I'm also probably not gonna leave this in for more than 2 weeks. I think that even trying to twist it while I'm sleeping and then untwisting it in the morning is going to be too much trouble. That's more than I want to do for a braidless crochet. And because this is not real hair, it's going to get way more fuzzy, even if I use an oil or a mousse on it. Again, these were $14.99 per pack. I used a little less than 2 packs. I have a full pack of color 2 left over, so I might purchase another pack of 2 and redo this style in a couple of weeks. I do recommend this hair. It looks very nice. It looks very fluffy, just like natural hair that was in Bantu knots that we unraveled and wore out. Now on the back of here, it does give you wash instructions. I've never washed crochet hair before. I have washed braiding hair, but that was just so I could get braids with it. I'm not going to be washing this hair. I'm not taking it that seriously since I spent less than $30 for this install. I will put the information for the number of packs of hair that I have in my head and the colors and all of that in the description box below. Thank you for joining me on this episode of Conversations with Candace. Until next time, y'all have a great day.